Hello friends, Journal English for NVS, KVS, TGT, PGT, Railway, Banking and all other competitive exams. This is part 2 and here you will get topmost 50 MCQs. All the questions are frequently repeated in different kind of exams. Here question number 1 is to leave no stone unturned means. So this is idiom and its meaning is to leave no stone unturned means कोई कसर ना छोड़ना. Okay, so here correct option is to do everything possible to achieve a good result. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 2, fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. He came to me blank midnight. So midnight is time and before time we use at. Question number 3, fill in the blank with the correct preposition. He is junior to me. He is junior to me. Question 4, which of the following words or word is plural? Okay, so analysis, this is singular. Crisis means sankat, this is also singular. Index सूची के लिए यूज करते हैं, this is also singular. So plural word is criteria. Option 4. Question 5th, which of the following nouns is in plural? So electronics, news and billiards, all these are used as singular nouns. ठीक है, electronics भी singular है, news this is singular and billiard this is singular. So mice, this is plural of mouse. Question 6, fill in the blank with the correct article. Neil Armstrong was blank first man to walk on the moon. So Neil Armstrong was the first. ठीक है, article the for specific and to walk on again the on the moon और सन और स्टार जो यूनिवर्स में जो एक है उनके लिए द यूज करते हैं. So option 1 is correct answer. Question 7, choose the correct sentence. Please listen towards your teacher. So this is wrong. Please listen. It should be 2. Please listen your teacher. Please listen to your teacher. So option 3 is correct. Then rest of the options are incorrect. Okay, it should be 2. And here 2 is missing. Question 8, which of the following words is not a coordinating conjunction? Coordinating and subordinating. So but this is coordinating and this is coordinating, for this is coordinating, but if this is subordinate or subordinating conjunction. So option first is answer of this question. Question number 9, fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. His thirst blank knowledge left him no leisure blank anything else. So his thirst means प्यास, for knowledge use for here, no leisure for anything else. So option 4 दोनों में ही for भरना है. Question 10, the word fast in the sentence he is a fast writer is, अब अपने फर्स्ट को बताना है फर्स्ट राइटर. ठीक है, राइटर दिस इज नाउन और नाउन को अगर कोई मॉडिफाई करे तो उसको बोलेंगे एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, So option 4 is correct here. Question 11. Which of the following is not a simple sentence? She reads what she likes. This is complex sentence. This is not simple sentence. Okay. This is man clause. She reads and what she likes. This is subordinate clause. So this is complex sentence. And she does not know good manners. This is simple sentence. I have a very costly book in my house. This is also simple sentence. And he is a man of great knowledge. So all these three are simple sentences. But option 1 is not simple sentence. This is complex sentence. Question 12. Identify the segment in the sentence which contain a grammatical error. There will probably be a lot of his. In their net, will there. So will there, this is question tag. Okay, but it should be won't there. Why? Because statement is positive. So question tag should be in negative form. So this is error. Will there. It should be won't there. Will plus not. Question 13. The following sentence has been divided into parts. One of them contains an error. Select the part that contains the error from the given options. So Ranbir could not went. So friends, first जो पार्ट में ही एरर है. क्यों एरर है? क्योंकि कुड इज मॉडल और मॉडल के साथ में भी ऑलवेज यूज वी फर्स्ट, लेकिन यहाँ पर वेंट का यूज किया गया है. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. इट शुड बी गो. Then question number 14. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains a grammatical error. This jewelry box is made from. So it should be of, made of, not from. So here correct answer is option D. It should be of. Question 15. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains a grammatical error. Although this is a narrowest street, replace A with the. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है तो उसमें द का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. क्वेश्चन 16. सेलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक. द चिल्ड्रंस सीरीज. सो फ्रेंड्स, चिल्ड्रंस सीरीज दिस इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, और सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट अगर है तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होने चाहिए. सो द चिल्ड्रंस सीरीज इज रिकमेंडेड फॉर यंग रीडर्स. ऑप्शन बी. Question 17. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. The blank chair was discarded by the tenant. So it should be broken chair. ठीक है ना. broken जो है वो एडजेक्टिव है and it modified noun chair. So it should be broken chair. Past participle. Okay. Next question 18. Select the option that expresses given sentence in passive. सो पैसिव जो है, इस रिचर्ड वोर ए ब्रॉड बेल्ट विद साइनी बकल. ए ब्रॉड बेल्ट विद साइनी बकल, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ. और वोर दिस इज V2. सो दिस इज सिंपल पास्ट, और सिंपल पास्ट का पैसिव में वाज या वर यूज करेंगे. ए ब्रॉड बेल्ट विद साइनी बकल, दिस इज सिंगुलर. सो ए ब्रॉड बेल्ट विद साइनी बकल वाज वॉर्न. वी थर्ड ऑफ war is worn. Okay, so correct option is option D. A broad belt with shiny buckle was worn by Richard. Question 19. Choose the option that is passive form of the sentence. Switch off the television. This is imperative sentence. Why imperative sentence? Because it starts with we first, like open the door, open the window. Okay, so or object with yeah, why the television. So use let plus object plus be plus we third. Okay, so let the television be. Stop. Option C is the correct answer. Then question number 20. Select the correct indirect form of the given sentence. Don't park here, the policeman said to them. So again, don't park. This is an imperative sentence. So the policeman said to co-op, change करेंगे ordered में और requested में. So the policeman ordered them abolish do, use not to park here को there में. Okay, so correct option is D. The policeman ordered them not to park there. Question 21. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word applause. So synonym means meaning of the given word is approval. Question 22. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word emaciated. And emaciated means extremely thin, extremely weak. तो इसका opposite क्या होना चाहिए? Fat. Question 23. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom a bad egg, बुरा अंडा. So this is an idiom and its meaning is someone who is dishonest or unreliable. Option B. Then question 24. Select the most appropriate one word substitution for the given word a government by the nobles. Nobles की जो गवर्नमेंट है that is called aristocracy. Option C. Question 27. Select the word which means the same as the group of words given. Someone who believes that people cannot change the way events will happen. तो उसके लिए fatalist means one who believe in luck or fate. Fatalist. Question 26. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom left out in cold. Left out in cold. So this is also an idiom and its meaning is to be ignored. नजरअंदाज करना. Option D is correct. Question 27. Which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? Which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? So I don't know why he is so hostile to me. Now what is why? Adjective or adverb or preposition or pronoun? So this is adverb. Why? Because it modifies the verb no. I don't know why. Okay, so this is adverb. Question 28. Which of the following words is a material noun? So material noun air and gold both are material noun. Then question number 29. Which kind of noun is adversity? Okay, so adversity is abstract noun. ठीक है, abstract means भाववाचक संज्ञा. So this is abstract noun. And last question 30. Which part of speech is the word hard in the sentence? So he is working hard. So hard is adverb. Why adverb? Because it modifies the verb working. Okay. So thank you, friends. I hope you enjoyed these 30 questions. Thank you.